Hi traders, if you've recently subscribed to my channel, then thanks for subscribing. If you haven't subscribed yet, then subscribe and keep up to date with my analysis. Now the Aussie Yen last week, folks broke 97.66 monthly resistance and 98.43 monthly resistance last year's high. Railroad tracks at resistance. Are we seeing a reversal? At the start of the week I would watch 97.57 day resistance and 97.66 monthly resistance. Does that area now remain as resistance for a move down to retest weekly support? And are we going to see a reversal down from the monthly resistance area this week? Are we moving back down the range? Now the Aussie dollar did advance last week, but held at weekly resistance 65.11 and 65.22. We did trade above, but couldn't close above. So these are the levels to watch: 65.11 and 65.22 at the start of the week. Does this area hold as resistance for a movement back down this week? Do we move back down to monthly support 64.58? We held there on Friday. Or do we see a break above this area? And then does 65.22 to 65.11 become support for a move higher this week? Now the Euro Yen remained in a strong uptrend last week, did sell off Thursday, Friday, got support at monthly support at 162.42. Does that level remain as support this week for a continued move up? Are we moving up to monthly resistance at 167.72? Now the euro dollar advanced strongly last week, did hold at monthly resistance 108.79 for a number of days, but Friday broke above, so at the start of the week watch 108.79 to be support. Are we heading up to test now daily resistance at 109.29, and can we break above that level this week? 109.29 has proved to be a strong level of resistance from previous time, so can we break above 109.29, or does that offer resistance this week then for a move back down? Now the pound yen advanced last week but did sell off Thursday, Friday, couldn't hold above monthly resistance at 186.75. Are we dealing with a false break or moving higher? We'll have to wait and see. At the start of the week, does 185.95 day support hold as support? Can price come back up to retest 186.75 and break above to hold the uptrend? If we hold at 186.75 on a retest, expect a move back down the range. Back down towards weekly support at 183.81. Now the pound yen advanced last week and did close above 124.48 just as monthly resistance, the January high. That's the level to watch at the start of the week. Does 124.48 hold as support for a movement higher this week? Can we challenge last week's high and move above 125.06? Now if we can't hold above 124.48, expect that then to be resistance on any retest for a move back down towards weekly support at 123.37. Okay traders, that's my analysis for today. If you want to keep up to date with my analysis, simply subscribe to the channel. I look forward to seeing you next time.